Lola Classic, and if you're new to my channel, this is a channel where I am currently documenting my locks in a starter phase. So if you also have locks or you just started your locks, this is a safe space for you, and let's get right into it. So today I am going to be talking about what my 6-month lock journey has taught me. I am 6-month locks and this is the last day, and I'm like, oh, I needed to do a video about that because it's half a year. It's a milestone too. Okay, so before I talk about that, I know you guys are looking like, oh, I should looking like this. I just finished my workout and I'm kind of very hyper right now, and I'm like, okay, I need to do this. So even if we are locked, we also stay locked in workout too. Stay LD and fit any day. But wait, before we get right into it, if you have not subscribed, kindly click that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video, and don't forget to like, comment. If you have any thoughts, you can drop it in the comment section, and share this video. Celebrate the 6-month milestone. Okay, so let's get right into it. What my 6-month lock journey has taught me, I'm going to be showing you pictures of the process. Okay, I kind of lost the picture of the first day of my locks, and I wish I could show that, but I will show you my first wash of the month because I can't wash my hair 1 week after I locked it, and I never knew I was not supposed to do that. I just felt like, oh, I needed to wash it. I was just caring too much about it. So I'm just going to be showing you the stages. So this is the first month after my first wash. I kind of had a lot of unraveling, as you can see, and this is the second month too. It was already looking so beautiful, and this is the third month. I had a shoot here, so I had to pack it into a bun, and this is also the third month. I also put beads on my lock, like it was so nice though. And this is the fifth month actually after my wash, before my relock. This on the same day I relocked my hair. This is it. And of course, this is my 6th month. This is how it looks right now. So beautiful. Said what my 6-month lock journey has taught me. It has taught me quite a lot about myself, and not just myself, about the world and the people around me. I'm gonna be taking everything month by month. My first month, my second month, my third month, my fourth month, my 5th month to my 6th month. I'll make it really brief with not too long story so that you can hang in there. First month journey, when I started my locks, right, I would be very sincere. I was very insecure about it. I was very insecure about myself. I was really in a bad state of mind at that point because I had other things going on in my life, you know, beautiful things and bad things too, and I was trying to balance it out. After I did my locks, I didn't like how it looked like. I think I've said that in my other videos. So I was very insecure. I still wore wigs around, and I was just trying to figure out the process. I wasn't accepting all of me 100%. And no matter what, even in the bad days, even in the days when I wash my hair and have a lot of unravel, I should still love myself like that because that is my person. That is me. My hair is from me. Is it from another person? No. The second month should be August, right? Because I locked my hair the 1st of July. And then, so the second month is August. August happened to be my sister's birthday. And I think I was really home a lot, so I just left my locks the way it was. I did not really try to figure out too much. I just left it for what it was. Second month taught me like patience, like, you know, even if you've not totally accepted yourself for who you are, just it's a process. As long as you know that, you are aware of that, and you're willing to do the work, it's a process. So the second month taught me that trust the process, you're gonna figure it out. Right into the third month. The third month happens to be a month of September. Yeah, I had a lot of roller coasters in my personal life that I cried a lot in the month of September. Literally just messed up due to some situation happening in my life personally, and I didn't know. I just dumped myself the third month. Like, it was supposed to be going from, like, you know, from worse to better, right? But it's just like it went from like bad, then good, then worst. Actually, it still sticks through the bad days for me. My first month was the month of October, and that is where a lot of soul searching, a lot of depth, a lot of like discovery about myself started. So and the month of October was the month where I actually started my workout journey. That was the beginning of like filling up my cup. I detached from everything, from everyone, from everybody. I didn't really care. I just wanted to do the work on myself. And yes, I did the work. And the month of November, because I was already in my lockout journey, I love my locks. I flaunted my locks. I didn't really care anymore. Black girl locks, Lola Classic. so bad. A lot of things that made me cry, a lot of things that made me laugh, and my locks still stood there, and like it still hanged on with me. And I started to see the beauty of what I had on my head. I started to love my crown. Up to the month of December. Like I said I went off the grid. I went off everything. So I think it was the month of December that I started saying something interesting that I love. I started to post on TikTok. I opened a page. I created a page on TikTok where I started posting about locks, types of locks, and also other fashion beauties, like, you know, inspiration on TikTok. And I never knew that that page would do so well. Right now I have about 20.4k on that page. In matter of like 3 weeks, I already had 10k like followers on TikTok, and I'm like, wow. Anything that I start will grow, just like my locks. So I saw the way people really love this. Anytime I posted any lock post, very viral. Followers loved locks. They were most like, I saw the community and the family and the love within it. And that's what even gave me the idea to start this YouTube channel talking about locks, because there's love in the lock community. And that is why I started doing it. So December taught me that whatever I put my mind to do, as long as I want to do it and I put my energy, there's somebody out there that will love it, like it, and will be willing to like cheer you on. And that's how December went for me. It was a very beautiful month. And January, which happens to be the 6th month on my lock journey, that I started this YouTube channel. So sometimes we need to fill our cup. And so those months where I was off the grid, I was just using it to fill up myself. And this is me here standing, and I'm speaking and talking about my story and how my lock journey has been. And people are out there that want to hear more about locks. Let me start talking about it. Let me start documenting my lock journey, and I can look back at it and be like, yeah, I started this, and this is beautiful. I was able to inspire a lot of people out there. I was able to help a lot of people out there with their starter lock journey, and it's going to be really amazing. So that is it for me. If you're someone that just got your locks, you are welcome. I'll be your friend. I'll be your buddy. We are family now. Any day, anytime. I am here for you. It's a journey, and I wish and I hope that you find your own self in your own journey and continue to love yourself more and more every day. There's something Locs does to you. It made me find myself, other parts of myself, working out, doing other things, believing in myself, more self-confidence. It did to me. Because I have other videos in the description box that you can check. Actually, how to style your locks, how to grow your locks, how to hydrate your locks, you know, how to style your locks with a scarf, and you know the types and method of locks too. So don't forget to check those videos. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Still Your Loc Life with Lola Classic. See you next time here.